A radiotelescope pointed at deep space records 72 seconds of something that looks exactly like what scientists had spent decades hoping to find: a strong, narrow, artificial-looking signal from somewhere far outside our solar system. Nobody notices for 3 days. By the time an astronomer finally spots it on a printout, the moment is already gone, and the sky has gone silent again. Stay to the end, because in the nearly 50 years since, with some of the most powerful telescopes ever built listening to that exact patch of sky, that signal has never once repeated. In the 1970s, Ohio State University operated a radio telescope nicknamed Big Ear, scanning the sky as part of an early search for extraterrestrial intelligence. It listened around a specific frequency, 1420 megahertz, the natural frequency of hydrogen, the most common element in the universe. Scientists had long guessed that if any other civilization wanted to be found, this exact frequency, sometimes called the water hole, was the most logical channel to use, a kind of shared language written into the physics of the cosmos itself. The telescope didn't record sound. It recorded intensity as a stream of numbers and letters printed on a paper, run automatically, day after day, largely unread until someone had time to check it by hand. 3 days after the recording, astronomer Jerry Emmon was reviewing the printout from August 15th when he found a sequence unlike anything he'd seen before, a signal roughly 30 times stronger than the background noise of space.
Emmon circled the sequence in red pen and wrote a single word in the margin: "Wow." The name stuck immediately and has been attached to the signal ever since.
The signal matched, almost too perfectly, what astronomers had predicted an artificial, intentional transmission might look like: narrowband, strong, and centered almost exactly on that hydrogen frequency nobody expected nature to produce by accident.
Emmon and other researchers pointed telescopes back at that same patch of sky in the constellation Sagittarius again and again for years. Nothing. No repeat, no fainter echo, nothing resembling the original signal ever showed up again from that direction. That absence became almost as strange as the signal itself. Most natural cosmic phenomena that produce radio bursts repeat, or at least leave some kind of residual trace. This one simply switched on for just over a minute, and then never happened again. Over the decades, researchers proposed dozens of explanations. In 2017, one team suggested a pair of previously undiscovered comets passing through the area might have released a burst of hydrogen gas capable of mimicking the signal. That theory was quickly challenged by other astronomers, who pointed out that comets don't typically produce radio emissions anywhere near that strong, and that the timing didn't line up as neatly as first claimed. The explanation remains disputed, not confirmed. Investigators also checked for terrestrial explanations, military transmissions, satellites, even signals bounced off orbiting space debris. Nothing on record matched the frequency, strength, and duration of what Big Ear recorded that night. Jerry Emmon himself, before his death in 2022, remained publicly cautious. He never claimed it was proof of alien life. He simply said, again and again, that he could not explain it, and neither could anyone else. Big Ear itself didn't survive long enough to keep listening. In 1998, Ohio State lost the lease on the land it stood on, and the telescope was dismantled to make way for an expansion of a golf course. The exact instrument that first caught the wow signal no longer exists. Even if that patch of sky, Sagittarius, sent the same burst again today, the one telescope tuned to catch it in exactly that way is gone. What survives is the printout itself, the single sheet of computer paper with "wow" written in red ink, now kept as one of the most famous documents in the history of the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Modern radio telescopes, far more sensitive than Big Ear ever was, have scanned that same region of Sagittarius many times since. The sky, so far, has kept whatever it was to itself.
Somewhere in an observatory archive, a single sheet of paper still has 3 red-inked letters circled on it, marking 72 seconds that briefly looked like the biggest discovery in human history, and then simply stopped. If unexplained signals from the edge of what we understand keep you watching, subscribe. This series is just getting started, and space has kept far stranger secrets than this one.